welcome and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, hi, my name is Jada and we're staying at the lovely Villa Mar, and we're actually in the Balearic Islands. This is not my first time coming here, but it's definitely my first time being Mallorca, and it's such an excellent trip. I can't wait for you guys to watch the vlog. And if you're an Airbnb host or a hotel owner, please be free to reach out to me if you'd like me to review your space. But I'll see you guys in the vlog. Bye. Morning guys, I'm at breakfast at the moment. Sorry for not showing you guys the room as yet. We've got housekeeping, so after that's done then I'll show you guys the room. And also I know this is gonna piss you guys off because I shouldn't have a camera, but I'm running low on storage, so the vlog might be a bit choppy, sorry. But I just had fruits. You guys know me, I'm a fruit queen. And I had some eggs, and I still got this kiwi, and I got some tea. And I saw a fish spa that I want to go to. I think it's where the fishes eat your food. So I'll take you guys there with me. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Hey guys, so we're taking the first little trip of the day. Today's day one. And we're on a little tutu train. It's like a little mini train that goes through the entire city. I've got one of their little maps here, so I'm planning to come off at La Playa, the beach, because I want to go to this fish spa thing. I don't know if I told you guys before, but yeah, I'm going to go to the fish spa to get my feet done. So yeah, that's the vibe. Adios. Hey honey, so I just got off the tutu train and I got off at the beach. How stunning. You can see all the mountains to the left of me, and they've got so many beach restaurants here. So empty. Hey guys, we just found this new little restaurant on the bay. This is what it looks like. Let me show you guys. And we found a Jamaican man. Well, he's not Jamaican. We found someone that used to live in Jamaica, okay? A white man, like he's telling us his whole life story, how he used to make money, everything. Like, it's so interesting traveling because you just find such interesting people. So he used to live in Jamaica for 2 years in Portland, and the man could have tell you everything about Portland, reach out to everybody, so you know, see a truck something. The man I told him used to make the money, you know, him there in Mallorca, make some goodness. Him there in Mallorca run a restaurant, my love, so you know, say. And we'll come back to the freeness. So cheers! Hey guys, so we just finished the cocktails and now I'm at the Fish Doctor, and they're open now for the spring/summer season, so you guys can come here if you're in Mallorca. And basically we've just got fishes that eat the dead skin off your feet. I've done this before. I did it probably about 4 years ago in Ayanapa with my girlfriend Nicole, and that was pretty good. It was just ticklish, like that's it. It wasn't painful or anything. It just felt like tickles in your feet. Sorry guys, I'm a bit tipsy, but yeah. Hey guys, so we just finished with the fish spa, and we came back to the Jamaican restaurant. It's actually called Jamaican Cafe, and you guys look, like I feel like I'm in Jamaica. I feel like I'm in the grill. Those are the workers like in their Rastafarian hats, and I got some fish tea to settle my stomach, and then we got some paella over here. Hey honeys, it's me again. I just wanted to update you guys. So after our quick little lunch, I went shopping because I drove past a ranch which has like horse riding available, but I didn't bring any of my shorts because I've actually outgrown all of the ones that I've got. So I bought these new pair with the embroidery on it, and this one says 40. I don't even know when my reach says 40, so then also I have to take time. I'm also going to Mango. I'm going to get this scarf because I've been wanting some scarf now just to kind of, you know, upscale my work attire. And I'm at the ranch now. I'm just in the cab. Let me show you guys. So this is the ranch that I was talking about. Hey guys, so I just came back from the hotel. I quickly got changed because the sun is out now. We're going to be riding some horses. So I'm going to get my gears in a minute. You're not riding, babe? Okay. This is my outfit, by the way. Floppy hat, primark, oversized police sauce, bikini, shorts, and that. So inappropriate. It's so cute. I'm with the horse. Why am I brain not going so? Gallop. One babes. We're heading to the beach now. Guys, we're literally on the beach now. You guys can hear the waves. The horse in front, always misbehaving. Let me show you, look. Look at him bending up in the wrong direction. This is so relaxing. I think I want to do horse riding. I think I need to do horse riding more often. This is a bit, am I? Guys, that's me riding the horse. I even galloped. Like, I literally did it. So I literally just finished horse riding. You can kind of see the dirt on my face, but it was so good. I would do it again. Honestly, I feel like somebody need to give me one look at my ass, but yeah. I could have ride it again and again and again. I even gallop like I'm telling you, it was a really good one. Just came back now. Just thought I'd quickly head to the spa since I haven't been here since I've checked in. I just thought let me just quickly get some dinner since it literally just opened once I came back from the horse riding. Starting with these, I need to freeze these. And I'm gonna get some roast chicken. That's the only thing that they have that actually appetizes me. And then if anything tonight, I'll just go for proper dinner. Come on, just if I'm putting on my clothes. Hola. It's a little bar now. Let's try to catch a little bar. Oh, full man. I thought I lost my spacing. Dos personas, por favor. Hola, señor. ¿Cómo estás? Morning vlogiana. I'm just about to head out for breakfast. Day 2. Feeling rejuvenated. I am feeling a lot of pain in my inner thighs though from the horse riding that we did yesterday. So I'm hoping to book a massage today just to try to get out a few knots. And I felt like I widened my hips, so I want to try book my pole classes for this summer for June, July. But yeah, I just thought I'd check in with you guys before I go to breakfast. We've got an all-inclusive board, but we've been going out to dine a lot because, I don't know, options. Gracias, señor. Hey guys, so I just finished selecting my breakfast. I'm just having an omelette with cheese, and I'm also having a well-done egg, and then I have some fruit salad on the side. I may go get a croissant. And my partner's going to get me some tea and some oranges. So that's me. I have a few stuff I want to do today. I don't know, I'm not 100% sure, but I think I want to go to Nikki Beach. I've never been to a Nikki Beach, so I'm bucket list to see what the hype is about, girl. I also want to go maybe to a rooftop bar in the night. And I heard that they have a black bar / club here, so probably just try that out just for the nightlife. And do another thing, probably something touristy, I don't know, go see the caves or something. But it's just 9:30 now, so I don't know how much I'm going to be able to squeeze in today. And I'm actually expecting a really important call from work today at about 12:30. So I'm going to need to take a break and go into a little private room just to facilitate that call. Let's see how we get on, child. Can't stress too much. Guys, I'm just about to get ready. We're going to Nikki Beach and we're going on a day trip to La Paz. I'm rushing. I've got 5 minutes. Let's see what I can do in 5 minutes. So I literally just got the bus. I missed the first one. I ran for it. Asked the guy, "Are you going to La Palma?" He was like, "No." So I came off back and then I asked the actual road coordinator, the gentleman on the street, and he was like, "Yeah, that was your bus going to La Palma." So I had to wait another 30 minutes for this bus now. So we're finally on our way to La Palma, and that's the city center where everything happens. They've got Nikki Beach there, so that's what I really want to do today. I've got a beach bag with change of outfits and so forth. But yeah, I'm just on the bus now on my way there. Let me give you guys a quick little view of my outfit. So these earrings I got from AliExpress ages ago, 5-6 years ago to be honest. Necklace, can't quite remember. But if not Primark, then definitely Zara. Bikini I got from Shein. I wanted to see what all the hype was about. Bikini I got from Shein. Shorts I bought here in Mallorca. And this oversized cover up is definitely is so much better than the pictures. Like, the pictures don't do this any justice, honey. The pictures don't do this justice. It looks so good. It's a vibe. People living at the pool or swim. The food look good too, and the reviews them say the food really good. So, I could see it go now. I could see it go. I need to cut off that something because it's a keep better me out here. Guys, imagine I brought 2 bikinis. Make sure. This is my dinner outfit, and then I have my swimming outfit in the bag. No, me and you will live for this. I loved it. I love this. Oh gosh. I'm good. How are you? Yeah. We're gonna start with some drinks. Hey guys, I've got on my bikini now, and I just thought that I'll take a quick little stroll on the beach. You guys can see it is absolutely stunning here. The place is getting pretty packed as well, like small, and a lot of the big sunbeds are actually reserved already, like the cabanas. So we're just on the beach side of it. Hola! Guys, I'm getting mango and pepper and salt. You guys know, like, see? Es vale. Sí. Claro. Sí. Es vale. Gracias, señorita. Well, I know I'm happy right now. Later, people in the silver. Yeah, no, I'm the happiest girl alive right now. Look at my mango. My bed. Last night's leg rice. With the pressure not go. That never get big. Hey guys, so I'm done with my massage. Very much tipsy, very much vibing. I'm at a beach club now just to see what the vibe is. Okay, I dig it. For some reason I'm craving grilled fish. So let's see. On one of the sunbeds in the sun. Because I don't mind you putting on my hat if you need it. Hey guys, I didn't even realize that we ended up in Magaluf, so that's a whole new country. Double take. I think I'm on my 13th country now, and I changed my outfit in the back of the taxi because I think I'm gonna try see if I can catch any markets or any little cafe that's open now in La Palma, in the actual city center. So if I don't talk to you guys while I'm touring the city center, then I'll definitely talk to you guys tomorrow morning. And tomorrow is actually your last day. Tomorrow is actually your last day here, so see you when I say bye. Hey honey, yes, I literally just got back to my airport. I left a bit earlier. I wanted to stay to try a few more activities, but it just didn't make sense because I knew the cab would have charged us at least £200 200 euros, and that 200 euros can take me to another country, honey. So I'm back at the hotel now. I'm gonna quickly try to get some tea, and then I'm gonna go out to dine in a minute, because I want to try this place called Hong Kong. You don't know what the Chinese. That's what I'm gonna try in a minute.